Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview Color 8, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, pop off your cover, if you have one on, and then locate the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone right here. Now pushing your little pin in there, you will see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Once you place the cards on the tray, you can then carefully insert it back into the device. Once you do so, the cards should start working right away. As you can see, it's telling me to confirm my SIM card PIN, so I'm going to do that right now. And we also have a pop-up right here that it does detect the SD card, though it says unsupported for some stupid reason. I think it's because it might be formatted to a wrong format, so the device just doesn't know what to do with it. But I can interact with this pop-up and it will tell me to format it, and it should from there work without any problem. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.